Hi, how are you? Are you doing okay? Here I am on my kitchen floor. Happy Vlogtober. Happy Vlogtober. Welcome to Vlogtober. I just learned about Vlogtober. Do you know about Vlogtober? It's hard to say Vlogtober. Do you know about Vlogtober? We're going to Vlogtober, but we're going to do it my way, of course. We're going to do it a little bit different. So first things first, in starting October, since I've been up in Oregon and helping get the kids situated for homeschool, we have to rip up the garden. I have a few cucumbers still coming in. There's another one over here. And I'm going to need to go through the marigold and rip all the seeds out. I'm going to package them to send. I have to figure out what's going on with here. We got minions. I killed the rosemary. That's a salt cedar. That's horrible. Part of Vlogtober is getting ready for Halloween and autumn, but I'm going to tweak it this year, and it's going to be getting ready for autumn and fall and winter. So we're going to do projects like get that giant tomato plant under wraps. That thing's got to go. I'm pulling that out today because I got starts for fall and winter that need to go in there. Gonna let the cucumber stay because we got a few more on those and we still have a little bit of time. I am also going on record. This poor guy probably got stepped on, or CJ or Riley. But I'm going on record. We're going to have a giant grasshopper season. And that's because already in the last 4 days, I've seen so many grasshoppers. So many grasshoppers and crickets. I mean, I usually see a few, but I think the floods made like extra. We're going to have kind of like we did a few years ago, where it's going to be so many in the windshield, you're going to be like whoosh, 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 whoosh. To be fair, I did not know what Vlogtober was until just a few days ago. But my friend Mary has been pushing a little, and my friend M has been pushing a little to post more. And I got a lot going on in October. Happy autumn. How's your autumn? But we're going to do Vlogtober. Do you know what Vlogtober is? Let me tell you. Vlogtober is where you post and vlog every day. Every day I'm going to post something. I will either be posting a hike, some history, or dun, 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 a vlog. Because there's lots of stuff I have to do in the month of October. I have to attach my hitch. I have to get my car ready to go places. My friends, Pin and the Atlas and Bobby, are back. I'll get to spend some time with them. I have to exchange all of my really summer stuff and out for my winter stuff because I live in 200 square feet, tiny little square feet. Some of the stuff will be Halloween based, some of the stuff won't. A lot of Vlogtober people do just all Halloween, but I'm not going to do all Halloween. But I will do some Halloween stuff. I've already got a request to find out if we have a haunted house in Pahrump. I'll check that out. I'll do some Halloween content too because we're going to have to make some costumes. We're doing a trunk or treat. Make my car do something and hand out candy. This is just a small video to say, hi, happy Vlogtober. This is what's happening in case you didn't know. And then all of a sudden there's Jenny all the time and you're like, what's going on? I do have some packages though. So let's open this up. I hope this helps the channel. It is a gift for me from Michael. I'm sure it will totally help the channel. It will absolutely help the channel. For those of you who don't know, I have a small Amazon list. I put things that on there that I need in life because my boss, YouTube, does not pay well. Oh. Yes. Okay. This is an anamorphic lens for my camera. This attaches to what's behind there. I can't show you. And it is going to allow me to create really big shots. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this Vlogtober, we're going to have a video of what this does. Thank you, Michael. I do not see a gift tag, but a giant shout out to whoever sent this to me. In Pahrump, one of the things about living rural is you don't have access to a lot of different kinds of doctors and a lot of doctors. And in town, we have very few dentists. And of those dentists, they have very few hygienists that want to come all the way out here. And I needed this. I'm super excited. And a side note, when I go back the next time to get my teeth cleaned, my hygienist said I can bring a camera in and do a video about it because I really don't like the dentist. I get very, very anxious at the dentist, and yet I still go. And so I think that would be a cool video to show people. And here's the other thing that's going along for Vlogtober, because I don't know about you, but I just got done this whole entire year of a series of tests, a battery of tests of things. I have to give a couple more tests. I have to see one more doctor. Oh my gosh. But I am determined to get healthy. I'm absolutely determined to get healthy because you think I'm healthy. I think I'm healthy. I'm generally healthy. But I put this on my list. I was recommended by my child, actually, that I should be taking this. The other thing that's happening for Vlogtober is I'm not going to be drinking soda. Although, technically, I already cheated today because my brother brought me home the special Voodoo Mountain Dew that's special, and I really wanted to try it. But I'm not supposed to be drinking soda. I'm just supposed to be drinking water. But what are some of the other things that we've got coming up for Vlogtober? We have stuff going on with my rig. I'm going to give you a tour. We've got a name. I've got a hitch. Hopefully we get some new headlights because I'm going to need those. We are going to plant the new garden. I didn't even show you my garden this summer. I've got tomatoes and cucumbers and onions, but those are gone. Those are out of here. Now we got to get in the lettuce and the carrots and the potatoes. We're going to go around town. We're going to see Halloween stuff. The list I have is for something for every day. So it's going to be Halloween. It'll be autumn. It'll be history. It'll be hiking. It'll be me. And maybe my birds. I also want to give a giant shout out to Willie. Thank you so much. I've got my sun wolves in the window right next to my birds. And a second giant thank you for helping fund the family.